Need to remove old or unwanted contacts from your Android phone? In this video, I'll show you the updated Toonti26 method to delete single or multiple contacts and permanently remove them from the trash. Open the Contacts app on your Android phone. Depending on your device, you may find it on your home screen or inside the app drawer. This app stores all of your saved phone numbers, email addresses, and other contact information. To delete contacts, first locate the person you want to remove from your list. Tap and hold on that contact until it becomes selected. Once it's selected, you'll notice circles or checkboxes appear next to your other contacts. Simply tap the circles beside any additional contacts you want to delete if you're removing more than one at the same time. After selecting all the contacts you want to remove, tap the delete option, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen or in the top right menu, depending on your Android version and phone manufacturer. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the selected contacts. Tap Move to Recycle Bin or Move to Trash to confirm. Your contacts are now removed from your main contact list. However, they are not deleted permanently just yet. Most Android phones keep deleted contacts in the trash or recycle bin for up to 30 days. This gives you time to restore them if you accidentally delete the wrong contact. If you want to permanently erase the contacts immediately, go back to the Contacts app and open the menu by tapping the three lines or three dots icon. Select Trash or Recycle Bin from the menu. Inside the trash folder, you can either tap Empty to permanently delete all items at once, or tap Edit if you only want to remove specific contacts forever. Confirm your choice when prompted, and the selected contacts will be permanently deleted from your phone. That's how easy it is to delete contacts on Android. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.